Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. Following the reports that the former governor of Rivers State and now Minister of the Federal Capital Territory Abuja, Nyesom Wike, has been summoned to appear before the disciplinary committee of the People's Democratic Party. Are we to say that Nyesom Wike's comeuppance has finally come? Or is this just a mere political gimmick by the PDP that suddenly woke up from its slumber? Now, this development was announced by Ibrahim Abdullahi, the Deputy National Publicity Secretary of the People's Democratic Party, during an appearance on Channels Television in their flagship program Sunrise Daily on Monday. According to Ibrahim Abdullahi, the Deputy National Publicity Secretary of the PDP, the disciplinary committee is chaired by Tom Ikimi, former Foreign Affairs Minister of Nigeria, during the Abuja administration, I believe. Now, is this a new beginning for PDP? Are they just waking up from their slumber? Or is just a gimmick being propelled now by PDP governors who Nyesom Wike threatened to put fire in their states if they put hand in Rivers State political crisis. Now, according to this Deputy National Publicity Secretary, several members of the party were also invited to face this committee about anti-party activity. It's instructive that it takes PDP this long to summon Nyesom Wike, and this also remains to be seen whether he will appear before Tom Ikimi led committee. But the truth of the matter remains that it was PDP that bred people like Nyesom Wike that has come back to haunt them. This is because the PDP itself messed up this country. They are the one that laid the foundation of the poor governance we are having today. But of course, the APC has worsened it. But PDP share a large blame for that. But the APC is responsible for what is happening today. And one of the people that was instrumental in the APC taking over Sorila today is Nyesom Wike. And you can see how boastful he is and has been. He said those who are not happy with his position in the Tinubu government should go and hug transformer. In other words, he's ready to do it again, what he did against his party in 2023. He's ready to do it again in 2027. In fact, even before now, he has been recorded speaking in Port Harcourt, saying he cannot wait. He wished that today is 2027 so that they can deliver for Bola Ahmed Tinubu, so that Bola Ahmed Tinubu will continue to be in office until 2031. Given his public speeches and everything else, it beggars belief that PDP allowed him to continue to remain in their party. They ought to have ostracized him, because if they had done so earlier, he wouldn't have the guts to be struggling for the leadership of PDP in Rivers State. Because can you imagine if after that election, the PDP was able to sanction him for openly working against their party's candidate and everything. If they had suspended him or even sacked him totally from the party, because PDP is bigger than Nyesom Wike. No doubt about it. No matter how low the party has sunk in recent time, this is the party that people like Alex Ekweme was able to bring into limelight. People of impeccable character like Dr. Alex Ekweme. Alex Ekweme contested for the presidential ticket of the PDP. Let us not forget that. That is the party of Alex Ekweme, of blessed memory. So that kind of party is not a party they should allow Nyesom Wike. They should have allowed Nyesom Wike to stay this long after the election. But after the election, the PDP became rudderless. That's why even as an opposition party, it has failed to hold the government of Bola Ahmed Tinubu accountable, despite all the mistakes and misgovernance and the sinking of the economy of Nigeria to a level never seen in human history. PDP failed woefully to provide leadership. That's why there is no coordinated opposition coming out from the PDP. And how can they even protest? How can they be an opposition party when one of their own is a key member of the government they want to criticize? When one of their own is already campaigning for the APC candidates that he is the best thing to happen to Nigeria since sliced bread. When their own party member is already saying that there is nobody capable of becoming president from PDP in 2027 except Bola Ahmed Tinubu of the APC. How do you reconcile this? And the party allows such a person to continue to remain in their party and constitute a threat to the party, and has openly now threatened to set fire in PDP states against his own party. But if Nyesom Wike was expelled, immediately he became the minister of FCT and was nominated by Bola Ahmed Tinubu. They ought to have expelled him so that he will now have no option to join APC. At least Fubara would have been much more in a better position than he is today. But they were romancing with him, just pretending as if they are not aware that what is happening, that a key member of their party is a minister in Tinubu's government, that nothing is as damaging as that to any opposition party in any place in the world. That's true. Even when Bola again of the Alliance for Democracy, against the advice of his own party, joined government of President Olusegun Obasanjo, the party literally ignored him. But Bola Ige, to his credit, he never tried to say that he is the one controlling AD at the same time that he was working with the PDP government. He kept off from AD. He kept off. But a situation where a party member, a key party member of PDP, Nyesom Wike, is in PDP, working for APC government, and also telling you that he's ready to work for the other APC government ahead of the next election, and you still allow him to remain there. It beggars belief how this kind of thing was able to exist in PDP of all parties. But it happened, and it's still happening. But it appears the PDP leaders have woken up from their slumber rather too late. But we keep our fingers crossed to see whether he will honor that invitation. Because the statement, according to Ibrahim Abdullahi, the Deputy National Public Secretary, they have already sent him the invitation letter. But he didn't tell us whether Nyesom Wike has acknowledged receiving it. That we eventually find out. Because already Nyesom Wike has taken over PDP in Rivers State. The state congress is now populated by his own persons. So his PDP structure is intact under his control. What is the PDP going to do about that? What they will do about that depends on what the outcome of the disciplinary committee. Are they going to have the courage of their own conviction to tell him that enough is enough? Let him go to APC and go and stay there for good. We are waiting. Nigerians are waiting to see the outcome of the disciplinary committee investigation of Nyesom Wike and others. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, Google will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.